My son's birthday was coming up at the end of December, and so trying to find something for him is, something special that makes him excited. Is one of the reasons why I just go to Swapboard, because there are like-minded parents and community members, and so I happened to go and see this Millennium Falcon sitting for sale, and I'm like, I have to buy that. And it was priced unbelievably well. Obviously this parent was just very, very happy to pass it along. Of the whole transaction, keeping it a secret from Ari was probably the hardest part. Otherwise, it was perfectly easy. To get this epic gift to give to him on his 8th birthday was something that I had no idea what his reaction was going to be. I knew he'd be excited, but I just didn't know he would be that excited.
Oh my God! Oh my God, he got me the ultimate classic set!
It was unforgettable. You can find things like the Millennium Falcon and know that a portion of the money is going to go back to the PTA or back to the school, back into the community to support education. Is amazing. It further deepens that kind of exchange, and know that the money is going to education and back to the school is, that's epic too.